Clarkson Neck Clothing Review, Legit or Scam? Clarkson Neck Clothing Review, Legit or Scam? If you're shopping for trendy urban clothing, Clarkson Neck may have caught your eye. Most people get this wrong by assuming that an online boutique automatically guarantees quality. The surprising truth is that Clarkson Neck is a legitimate clothing retailer, but there are a few factors to consider before buying. You won't believe what happens next. Clarkson Neck offers modern apparel for men and women, including jackets, hoodies and casual wear. Their website is secure, easy to navigate, and supports popular payment methods. Many customers report satisfaction with product quality, accurate sizing, and timely delivery. That said, some buyers have mentioned occasional issues with delayed shipping or items arriving slightly different from product images. This is common in online fashion stores, especially with high-demand items or limited stock. Clarkson Neck has a clear return policy, so exchanges are possible, but you should review the details before making a purchase. In conclusion, Clarkson Neck is a legitimate clothing retailer offering stylish urban apparel. By starting with a smaller order and paying attention to sizing chart and return policies, you can shop confidently. Overall, it's a reliable option for fashion-forward buyers seeking modern streetwear.